Good morning. This week's What to Know Wednesday shows you how to find out when your final exams are going to be held. The first place you should actually check is each syllabus for every course that you have. The professor should have written down on your syllabus when your final exam is to be held. Sometimes there are discrepancies, sometimes there are conflicts, and if you have more than 2 finals on the same day, you can actually request that one be moved. So I wanted to make sure you knew how to find out how to do that. So you're going to go to the main registrar's office website, which is www.registrar.pitt.edu, and then you're going to scroll down to when are my final exams and click on that. And then you can go straight to the final exam section. For 2191, which is what the fall term code is. And if for some reason your professor doesn't have your final listed in your syllabus, if you are not able to find your specific course in this list right here, you can see there's a bunch in here. A lot of you are in economics, a lot of you are in calculus, physics, Spanish, so on and so forth. This tells you when those common finals are to be held. Okay? And if it's not on that list, then you're going to refer to the list down here. So if the course typically meets on Monday, Wednesday, Fridays from 10 to 10:50, your final exam is to be held on Thursday, December 13th from 8 to 9:50 a.m. Now if you hop back over to the final exam schedule main page, you can see that there's actually some final exam conflict accommodation guidelines. There's a procedure and there's a final exam conflict accommodation form. Now, it's a little confusing because this accommodation form doesn't actually have to do with you filling it out for 2 finals that might actually conflict with each other time and day wise. This form is only if you want to try to request to have a final move to a different day if you have 3 finals scheduled on the same day. If you have 1 final, if you have 2 finals, that's not what this form is for. It's only if you have 3 or more on the same day can you request that one be moved. The deadline date for that is actually the same as the individual withdrawal deadline date, which is October 26th. That's a Friday. So if you have any questions or concerns, let me know, and I hope you all have a good Wednesday.